Hello everyone, today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of verify account. On the application of Messenger, we go to settings. Here we go to apps, default apps, app settings. On above here you will search about the application of Messenger and you will click. Then in this page of app info you will click on first stop and you will click OK. Here you will enter to the window of storage. Then you will click on clear cache. Here you can turn off your Wi-Fi and you can wait a moment, then you can turn on your Wi-Fi again to fix that problem. If it's not working with you, then you can just update your app on Play Store. So that's all. Don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time and thank you for your watching and your attention.